Where do I find my employer ID number on Credit Karma Tax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to creditkarma.com and press enter. Then on this web page, you want to click on the login option. Once you click on that option, enter your email ID and then enter your password. After that, click on the login option. Once you are logged into your account, you want to navigate to the section where you are going to enter your employee information. Click on the option of income. After that, as you enter your employment information, Credit Karma Tax will prompt you to input your employee's name, address, and employer identification number. If you have a W-2 form from your employer, you can find the EIN listed on it. Usually, it is located in box B of the W-2 form near the employer's name and address. If you have previously filed taxes and have access to your tax documents from previous years, you may find your employer EIN listed on those documents as well. If you are unable to locate your employer EIN, you can contact your employer's HR department or payroll administrator. They should be able to provide you with the EIN. In some cases, you may be able to find your employer's EIN through online databases or by searching for your employer's name along with EIN in the search engine. Once you have obtained your employer's EIN, you can enter it accurately into the appropriate section. If you're facing any difficulty during this process, you can contact the customer support of Credit Karma. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.